Pop the hood, Toretto. Pop the hood. All right, all right. Well, boys, I guess you guys want to see what's underneath this bad boy, right? When we picked it up, I never showed you guys. Totally forgot. We were on E because we were running on fumes, being up 24 hours and all that jazz. But let's see what we got underneath the hood. Oh, yeah. Still got a latch. This thing is hot, boys. Oh, Lord. Woo. Not too shabby, huh, boys? Not too shabby in here. Couple of SR premiums before race wars, huh? No, I'm just playing. But it is a big block, boys. Check it out. That big grown man thing. Look at this thing. This thing is really nice. You guys can see. Really nice freaking motor. Super nice engine bay. Cleaned up. Real nice. The guy did a really good job putting this thing in here. Purpose of this video, you guys, we're gonna put a little spoiler on here, a little something just to spice it up a little bit, because it looks too dull, right? It looks a little too dull. So what we're gonna do, if I can get damn, it's hot. That latch is strong, like. But check it out, we got this whole spoiler, you guys probably seen this on a dozen Chevelles running around, but believe it or not, they're not made for the Chevelle. They are made for a Camaro. This is like off a 69 Camaro, a factory part, believe it or not. And a lot of people put them on these Chevelles because they look good and they fit halfway decent. They don't come with any hardware as a crappy part. So we're gonna see how we can get this thing mounted, and let's see what we can do to get it to fit, right? Welcome back to the channel, boys. Oh my God, it's freaking hot as shite out here, boys. About 106 today. It is hot, boys. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I had the old straw hat today, boys, because it is too freaking hot. No shade. We need to do something about it. But so we got the car up in the air. Now we got to mount this thing underneath here somehow. So we got to see what we can do to get this thing to work. Let's see. All right, boys, this is what I've come up with. I went ahead and put a little bit of double side tape on each corner here. I also put a piece of masking tape here just to identify the center of this guy here. So what we'll do is we'll mock it up with the tape, the double side tape, and then come over here and try to center it as best as possible. And then also do the same thing under here, so when I'm under here I can have a point of reference of the center of the bumper to help us out. So once we have it mocked in place, we can kind of see if we can use any of the existing hardware on the bumper to hold this thing on. All right, boys, it is in place kind of right there. We kind of got it mocked up there with the tape. We're gonna drill a couple holes here and see if we can get a thing to stay. We might have to do something in the middle there though. Well, let me drill a couple holes here, one in each corner at least, so the tape doesn't give out. All right, boys, this is kind of what I ended up going with. I had this little bracket and it was actually one piece, and I split it into half. You guys can see, cut it there. Then I drilled a hole out so that way we can repurpose that hole that's there for the license plate bracket, and then we'll attach it something like that, you know, here, you know, kind of create that bracket and hold it in the middle. So we'll actually have two braces in the middle, right in the middle, and then we'll keep the ones, the screws. I don't know if you guys saw me do the screws here. So I put a screw here. There's nothing to put a screw here. There's no backside here on the bumper here. So one screw here, and then you still have your bumper bolt that you're gonna end up having to put back here. That'll be fine, but 4 mounting points should be just enough, boys. It'll look good. Let me put these on and then we can see what it looks like. We'll let the car down. Just like that, boys. Looking good. So just under here, just went ahead and used a couple of those little push-in rivets just like that to hold it to that bracket. Of course, a little screw back there on one on each side, and went ahead and also put back our bumper bolt bracket that's back in as well. You guys can see I really couldn't use that as a mounting point because there's just really not enough meat there on that actual spoiler. But let me lower the car down real quick, see what it looks like. What y'all think, boys? What you guys think? Doesn't this thing look a lot better now? Gives a little bit of an attitude right now. Yes, sir. I like it, y'all. I like it. I'll probably end up getting rid of that tape in there, getting it out of there. but it looks good, you guys. That tape definitely helped out trying to mock this thing up and getting it nice and centered. But tell me what you guys think. Put it down in the comments below. Oh yeah, you guys might want to know where to get this thing. This thing's, like I said, it's actually an original part from a 69 Camaro. I'll put a link down in the description below. Like I said, it looks good and they're not hard to work with. I mean, you see, it didn't take much to put it on. But you guys let me know. Put it down in the comments below. But I like it. I'm digging it. I like the look. Well, boys, it's hot, it's sweaty. My hat's all clapped out. I gotta get inside and get some water. But you guys already know, man. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. And stay wrenching.